Excellency, the Administrator of Rivers State, distinguished senators, honorable members, standing on already established protocols, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, it is with great pleasure that we, the members of the Rivers State Caucus in the National Assembly, extend our heartfelt greetings to you and your esteemed team in the civil service. As dedicated representatives of our people, we are united in our mission to foster the growth and development of Rivers State, and it is a privilege to engage with you on this occasion. First and foremost, we wish to congratulate you on your recent appointment as the Administrator of Rivers State following recent unfortunate circumstances. Your track record as a disciplinarian and a dedicated public servant with a vowed commitment to people's welfare is inspiring. No less inspiring is the record of your honorable service in the Nigerian Navy and what you just finished from at the mission in Ghana of recent. All of these have instilled hope and promise as we eagerly look forward to the positive transformation you will undoubtedly bring about in order to usher in a fresh era of peace in our beloved state and fresh dawn of public order and public safety based on respect for law and order and the Constitution. We commend your effort to engage with stakeholders, which began with traditional institutions, as part of your commitment to restoring peace, particularly in our local government areas. We also acknowledge your determination to ensure timely payment of salaries and wages of workers and pensioners, which underlines your interest in the welfare and well-being of our citizens. At a time of uncertainty, which leaves many vulnerable in several ways, your compassionate and meticulous approach is bringing stability and restoring confidence. We would also like to place on record the measures you are putting in place to ensure prudence, transparency, and accountability in the administration of public resources, especially in our local government councils. Your commendable focus on accountability will not only restore the trust of the people, but will pave the way for future sustainable development in our state. As members of the National Assembly and critical stakeholders in development of our state, we are here not only to express our congratulations on the timely, necessary assignment given to you by the President, but also to place at your disposal our unwavering support and cooperation. Together, we can work towards the enduring peace that is essential for the progress of our state. Rivers State stands as the economic backbone of our nation, driving growth and development, particularly in the oil and gas sector. But as you know too well, economic development and meaningful investment cannot thrive in an atmosphere of insecurity, threat to vital infrastructure. It is for this reason that National Assembly supported the President's proclamation of a state of emergency in Rivers State. This decisive action reflects our collective understanding of the pressing need for stability and security. In the same vein, Your Excellency, we would also like to commend the patience, understanding, and resilience of our fellow Rivers citizens who have embraced the courageous decision of the President pursuant to powers granted him under Section 305 of the Constitution. Their support has provided a solid foundation for the work ahead. We recognize the significant challenges that lie ahead of you as you undertake this important but daunting assignment. The decision you will be required to make may be tough, but we implore you to remain steadfast and resolute. We have no doubt in our minds that you will demonstrate the same resolve for which you were known in enviable naval career, and resist the distractions of detractors by focusing on delivering law and order, peace, and unity to our people of Rivers State. With your leadership, Your Excellency, we are optimistic that Rivers State will witness a renaissance, a reset for healing and growth, opportunity, stability, and prosperity. Your Excellency, in closing, we would like to reiterate our unflagging support for you and express our readiness to work hand in hand with you in fulfilling the promise of honor's assignment to the people of Rivers State. Thank you. May God guide you, and may God bless Rivers State. Excellency, thank you.
It is with great pleasure and a deep sense of responsibility that I welcome the esteemed Rivers State Caucus of the National Assembly here in Port Harcourt. I'm truly honored by your visit, which reflects our shared commitments to the progress, peace, and prosperity of our beloved Rivers State. As we all know, our state has faced significant challenges over the past months, especially with the declaration of a state of emergency by Mr. President. This was a difficult but necessary measure to address the insecurity that threatened the very fabric of our communities. However, I'm pleased to report that with the support of the federal government of Nigeria, security agencies, and indeed the collective will of our people, we have made notable progress in restoring peace and stability to our great state. Since the declaration of the state of emergency, my administration has been resolute in ensuring that our efforts to restore law and order are not only effective, but sustainable. We have worked tirelessly with the Nigerian military, the police, and other security agencies to restore order and bring peace to the state. Our goal has been to create an environment where our citizens can live in safety and pursue their livelihoods without fear. The people of Rivers State have shown incredible resilience and patience, and I assure you that we are committed to ensuring that this peace remains lasting. Beyond security, we have prioritized community engagement as a central part of our strategy. Dialogue, reconciliation, and inclusivity have been key to rebuilding trust among our people. We are determined to strengthen the bonds of unity in Rivers State and to foster an environment where every citizen feels valued, heard, and respected. Together, we are making strides in ensuring that peace becomes a permanent feature of our state. However, as we continue on this path, we recognize that we cannot do it alone. The role of Rivers State Caucus of National Assembly is crucial in helping us secure the support and cooperation necessary for the continued success of our peace initiatives. We are deeply grateful for the support you have provided so far, but we must continue to work together to ensure that this process is sustained and that Rivers State remains a model of peace, unity, and progress for the entire nation. In addition to our peace-building efforts, we are also focused on the economic stability and development of Rivers State. Since the Supreme Court's verdict on the state's budget, we have acted swiftly and decisively to put together a new budget that reflects our commitment to healthcare, education, social services, and the continued infrastructural development. We have worked diligently to ensure that the process is transparent, inclusive, and most importantly, expedited. Our goal is to ensure that we do not lose any more time in making the necessary investments that will improve the lives of our citizens. The budget, which is being finalized, focuses on creating job opportunities and investing in key sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure, and technology. We understand the urgency of these initiatives, and we are committed to ensuring that they are implemented without delay. But we cannot do this alone, as I had earlier stated. We need your support as the key representatives of Rivers State in the National Assembly to help us secure the necessary resources and legislative backing to bring these initiatives to fruition. Your partnership is critical to our success in ensuring that Rivers State remains on path of progress and enduring peace for future generations. In closing, our distinguished guests, I once again thank you for your visit today, and I urge you all to continue standing with the good people of Rivers State. Together, we can overcome the challenges that lie ahead, and we can build a stable state that is not only peaceful and secure, but also prosperous for all its citizens. Let us work hand in hand to ensure that the enduring peace and stability we have started to build becomes the foundation upon which we will continue to grow and thrive. Your support, guidance, and collaboration are essential to achieving this vision. I want to once again thank you all, and may God bless you all. May God bless Rivers State.